Okay, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be drawing the D-Rex full body from Jurassic World Rebirth, and let's get into this. So I'm going to be starting with the 4B pencil and the H pencil today, and so I'm going to be starting with D-Rex's head. So it's going to be like, I guess we can use the H pencil. So I'm going to be starting with his head. It's going to be like right about here. So it's gonna be like coming like this, and so now I'm gonna like make this like this top part of his head. So it's gonna like come up, and then it's gonna like go down, and then go down again, and so now it'll just come like that. So wait, so I'm gonna like, no, I'm not gonna do that, so I'm gonna like make it come, I'm gonna make it come like that, and like, I have those head details and stuff, so I'm gonna make it, the nose is gonna be right there, and so adds a few details, and so yeah, we have most of that right there. And so his eye is going to be right in the middle. And so I'm gonna draw like a, I don't know where that is. So I'm gonna draw like a really small people right there. So, well, it's not really small, but as small as I can. So now it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna make this coming down, and it's gonna like come down right here, and then it's gonna like be like that. So and some teeth right here. These are just gonna be like bleeding marks. There's gum. Like that. And now we can have his teeth. So yeah, just like that. Now I'm gonna like make this coming like here. So it's gonna come like that, and so now we're gonna have teeth right here. So now we're gonna have his tongue. It's gonna come like this, and so it's gonna like so it's gonna be like that to start off. Yeah, so just like that. And so also I messed up. Yeah, something looked off, and actually the thing is I need to like, it has to come like more down on his face. Yeah, that was what was messed up. And also like, I can't think right now. Wait. I don't know what's off about it. Like, something looks off, and I don't know. Oh yeah, I know. This is like, this head is, so it goes like up like that. It like stops, like, wait, so I think it like comes like, I don't think it's that square. It's not square, I realized. This is not square, of course, so this is like a lot like that. Oh, this needs to be taller too. Yeah, I think that was a bit more. Yeah, this looks a bit more like it. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like square. It can't be square, so it won't look right. So it's gonna be like that. So yeah, just like that. And so yeah, just like that. Now we can go with the 4B pencil and start tracing to make the lines thicker. And so, yeah, just like that. And so now I'm going to make his neck coming like this. And so it's gonna like come like this, and now it's gonna like, so it's gonna like come down and come like this. And so, I'm just gonna be kind of like that, and we can add his back. Yeah, on my other D-Rex video, I drew this a bit too big, and that's probably gonna be the same for this video. And so, yeah, this back is a lot too high, so it's gonna like, it's gonna go up like all the way up there, and then it's gonna like come back down, and then it's gonna like go up like that. So just like that. And yeah, and so now I'm gonna have his leg coming right here, and oh yeah, also this is a fan-made version of the D-Rex, and so yeah, this is not. Yeah, his legs are a lot skinnier, and this is not the actual D-Rex is fan-made. Oh yeah, that's too low. And so I'm going to have his other arms coming right there, like that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of like that. And now I'm gonna have his other leg. I don't know where to put it, so it's gonna like yeah, so it's just gonna come like that. Oh my, whoa. Okay, just whatever it is. And so, yeah, just like that. I don't know why I've been getting subs. Like, I've gotten a lot of views, but no subs. I don't know why. So, yeah, so make his other leg like this. And so, yeah, I don't know, wait. Okay, so that's just the full zoomed out version. How to do these claws. Yeah, I don't really know. So I don't know this detail really and stuff. So just like that. And so I'm just gonna try to add as much detail as possible. This picture so far is not in like a very detailed. It's been like really plain. Is what I don't want, because I don't want like a bunch of plain stuff. So yeah, just like that. Okay, way too skinny. And yeah, so we're on the tail now. Tail just like comes back. So yeah, that ends right there. I don't know. Okay, you can't see it. So I might have. Okay, this eraser. I don't know if I drew the legs too long. I don't think I did. I don't know. yeah, so I don't really know. So now I'm just going to add some detail. I don't really know how to add dinosaur detail, really. Also, if you look at my first video, you're gonna notice a huge difference. You know, like, I sound so much different. I'm going to link it in the description. It's going to be in the description for you to see my voice. Okay. So, now, I'm just gonna thicken up these lines. Because I might edit this video to be brighter, maybe. I don't know. I don't plan ahead. I don't plan ahead. No, I think of what I'm gonna draw the day I do it, so I don't plan ahead or anything. So, yeah, that is about it. Only thing is, I need to do is I need to get a sharper pencil. It's the F pencil. So I'm going to. Oh no, this is not sharper. I don't know. Is it? Wait. No, it's not sharper. Whatever. So. Yeah, I'm not gonna like, it's gonna be like that. And this, so, it's basically gonna be it for this video. But the only thing is, well, okay, so, yeah, this is it for today's video on how to draw the Distortus Rex fan-made from Jurassic World Rebirth. See you in the next one.